Today we present a really big apple pie. It's all about our solar system.
And that's big, and we're the year 5 from Warren Park Primary School.
At the centre of our solar system is the Sun,
which is an almost perfect sphere.
The radius of our Sun is 195,500 kilometres.
It's about 4.6 billion years old.
This is considered middle-aged for a Sun.
Technically, it's a G2V yellow dwarf.
The surface temperature is 5,500 degrees Celsius.
The light from the Sun takes about 8 minutes to get to Earth.
1 million Earths could fit in the Sun.
Our Sun is surrounded by planets or satellites of all shapes and sizes.
Our Sun has 13 satellites, but 5 of these are dwarf planets, leaving 8 real planets.
But what is a planet?
A planet has an orbit around the Sun.
It has enough gravity to clear the neighbourhood around its orbit.
There are 3 types of planet.
Terrestrial planets have solid rocky surfaces.
Gas giants are more gas than rock and no real surface.
Ice giants are cold planets where the gas is frozen.
There are also dwarf planets that do not have enough gravity to clear the neighbourhood around their orbit. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. It revolves around the Sun every 88 days but spins very slowly.
Venus is quite close to the Earth and is therefore the second brightest object in the night sky.
Earth is the 3rd planet and, as we know, has its own satellite, the Moon. The Earth's rotation is slowly decreasing.
Mars is often called the Red Planet and is named after the Roman god of war. It has a thin carbon dioxide atmosphere.
Sirius is the next in line but is only a dwarf planet situated in an asteroid belt.
Jupiter is bigger than all the other planets combined. It is made up mostly of gases and therefore known as the gas giant. Saturn, with its fabulous ring system, which were discovered in 1610, is the most distant planet that can be seen without help.
Uranus is tipped over on its side at an angle of 98 degrees and can only be seen using a telescope.
Neptune is the most distant planet from the Sun. It is another gas giant, so may have been originally formed nearer the Sun.
With the last 4 dwarf planets situated in the Kuiper belt, Pluto, Hyme, Makemake and Eris complete our solar system. Back to the studio.